Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Looking for the perfect phone stand for your desk or nightstand? The new Laxi dual folding cell phone stand is a total game changer. It's fully adjustable, super sturdy, and folds up easily so you can take it anywhere. Whether you're watching videos, joining video calls, or just keeping your phone handy while you work, this stand keeps your screen at the perfect angle. Plus, it's compatible with almost any smartphone. If you want a clean, hands-free setup that actually looks good, check out the new Laxi stand. Links in the description. Meet the Mer Timeback 3, the ultimate EDC flashlight that's as powerful as it is fun to use. With 4 LED sources and vibrant signal lights, it blasts out up to 2,500 lumens. Bright enough for any adventure. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just love cool gear, this light offers multiple modes and creative ways to play. It's compact, rechargeable, and built to impress. If you want a flashlight that stands out from the rest, grab the Mer Timeback 3. Links in the description. Tired of weak charging connections or muffled sound from your AirPods and iPhone? The cleaning kit for charging port and AirPods is the simple, all-in-one tool you need. It comes with precision brushes, soft picks, and a multi-tool design that safely removes dust, lint, and debris from your charging port, speaker grills, and connectors, all without causing damage. It even includes a compact storage case so you can keep it in your bag, desk, or car. Whether it's your iPhone, iPad, or AirPods, this cleaning kit keeps your devices performing like new. If you want clearer sound and faster charging again, grab yours today. Links in the description. Meet the GPS smartwatch for men. Built tough, smart, and ready for any adventure. With 6 satellite positioning systems and a built-in compass, you'll always know exactly where you are. Its stainless steel body and 50-meter waterproof rating make it perfect for outdoor workouts, hikes, or everyday wear. The stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED display delivers crisp clarity, while the 470 milliamp-hour extra-large battery keeps you powered for days. You can even make and answer calls directly from your wrist. If you want a premium smartwatch that combines rugged durability with cutting-edge features, this one's got you covered. Check it out using the link in the description. If you love camping, hiking, or prepping for emergencies, the Survivor Filter Pro Hand Pump water filtration system is a must-have. This powerful yet compact filter turns river, lake, or stream water into safe, drinkable water in minutes. It uses a triple filtration system, including a 0.01 micron ultrafilter, to remove bacteria, protozoa, and heavy metals, giving you clean, great-tasting water anywhere you go. The hand pump is easy to use, fast, and built with durable materials designed for long-term use. Whether you're backpacking, traveling off-grid, or preparing for survival situations, this filter delivers peace of mind and hydration when you need it most. Grab yours today. Links in the description. Looking for the ultimate repair toolkit? The eZarc electric screwdriver set has everything you need and more. With 181 pieces, including 160 magnetic precision bits, it's perfect for fixing phones, laptops, cameras, watches, and more. The cordless design with 3 adjustable Torque settings gives you full control and power for any job, big or small. It's compact, rechargeable, and built for precision work. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional repair tech, this kit makes every task easier and faster. Check it out through the link in the description. Looking to take your projects to the next level? The 16-line 4 D-green laser level delivers unbeatable accuracy and full room coverage for any job. With 4 360-degree laser planes, it projects ultra-bright green lines that stay visible even in daylight. Perfect for tiling, framing, flooring, and picture hanging. It features self-leveling technology, adjustable brightness, and a remote control for smooth, hands-free operation. Plus, with 2 rechargeable batteries, you'll have power that lasts through your toughest workdays. Built for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this laser level makes every project faster, cleaner, and perfectly aligned. Check it out now. Links in the description. Looking for a cool gadget that does it all? This cell phone stand, with Bluetooth speaker and LED color-changing light, is the perfect combo of sound, style, and function. It's not just a phone stand, it's a wireless speaker that delivers rich, clear audio while keeping your phone at the perfect viewing angle for videos, calls, or gaming. The LED color-changing light adds a fun, ambient glow that instantly upgrades your desk, bedside table, or workspace. Whether you're relaxing, studying, or hosting a small get-together, this gadget sets the mood and keeps your music going. Compact, portable, and rechargeable, it's a must-have for anyone who enjoys modern, multifunctional tech. Grab yours today. Links in the description. Meet the Phone Slim Kickstand, the sleek, ultra-thin stand that keeps your phone steady anywhere. It's made from durable steel metal and rotates a full 360 degrees, letting you enjoy hands-free viewing in both vertical and horizontal modes. Super slim and pocket-friendly, it sticks securely to your phone or case without adding bulk. Perfect for videos, calls, or gaming on the go, this kickstand is the perfect blend of style and convenience. Check it out now. Links in the description. Looking for the perfect gift for campers or outdoor lovers? This camping multi-tool has everything you need. An axe, hammer, pliers, saw, screwdrivers, bottle opener, and even a whistle, all packed into one compact tool. It's durable, portable, and comes with a handy sheath for easy carrying. Whether you're hiking, camping, or tackling quick fixes at home, this multi-tool is built to handle it all. A great stocking stuffer or everyday essential. Grab yours now, links in the description. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.